Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, July 28, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, July 28, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas na para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 28, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Sunday, July 28, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 56.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for July 28, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, July 28, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more result update.